Welcome back to the Greener Lawn. Today we're going to be doing a season recap of the firsts that I had in my yard. I also wish you a happy new year of 2019. And Connor, just wait. Don't write your comment yet.
Hey Connor, the philosopher Ricky Bobby once said, if you're not first, you're last. So guess what? You're last, 'cause you suck. In your face, Connor.
Hey, I'm not Connor Ward, but I got first.
You're taking down all these Christmas decorations. De-decorating is always harder than decorating. Something else to do. That Connor, he always wants to be first. Yeah, he usually is, except for when John tries to be first. John must have an app or something. Except for this time, I'm first. I'm first, Connor. Ban me from winning my t-shirt. First!
I'm first, Connor.
Yes, beat you, boy. Ha. It's my favorite song too. Take that, boy.
Numero uno, L suckers. Ha 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 ha!
Prodiamine. A new video. First. Sorry, Connor.
Woo! First, baby! Sorry, Connor. Better luck next time.
Hey, Connor. I hope you're having a great day today, and second place is the first loser. Smoke that in your pipe.
So Connor, let me give you a little piece of advice here, buddy. You know, being first, it's just like winning gold. And where I come from, and the way we play this game, you do not win silver, you only lose gold. Think about that.
Oh, come on, man. Come on.
Hello, Jeremy here. Coming to you March 30th, 2018. This is going to be documenting the journey that I make in my yard. It's not perfect by any means, but that's what I'm trying to do is, make the corrections and the fixes as we go throughout the 2018 season. Hopefully those things that we change and that we improve can help others, or even looking back on it. Let's talk about the 2018 fertilizer and soil regimen that I'm going to use on my lawn.
Next level.
Video's up.
Let's see here. Shoot. Oh, well. Back to sunbathing. Okay.
So that's what we will be using today on this bindweed. We'll be applying quinclorac. That green though. Let's go. Check it out, a double rainbow. You can see the one that's right here, and you can see the second one starting to form right here. How about that though? This green lawn. Double rainbow. This green lawn. Double rainbow. This green lawn. And behind me, my wife is shaking her head. Yes.
You spraying on your lawn.
I'm painting it? Yeah. That's the way I get it green, is I paint it. Yeah. Yeah, it gets a little expensive to paint it though. Right now, I'm pretty on point. And thanking people for this season and their support.
Supposed to get first! Well, I guess last the best of all again, you suckers!
Oh, hey, video's up. You're not first, you're last.
I had a lot of firsts in the lawn this year, as you can see. It was an amazing year for me, the 2018 season. It became a lot bigger than I ever imagined it when I started out this journey. I had a lot of ups, and I had a few downs with that thing that I said I'd never mention on the channel again. With all the ups and downs that I had in my yard this year, I'd like to know what you guys had. What were your firsts in your yard in 2018? Leave it in the comments below. What firsts do you look forward to in 2019? I would love to hear what your firsts are that are coming up for the 2019 season.
Oh, video's up.
Not again. I'm going to the bathroom.
Don't worry about it. Every time! How does he win? I don't get it! Dang it! Frick!
What was that about?
If you're not first, you're last. You understand? This isn't a joke.
I'm Jeremy of The Greener Lawn. Make her green in 2019.